Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to just go through and I'm going to show you the customization of workday.INTL. Here, we just have a start date. It could be anything you want. The structure is going to be this 100100110. What does that mean? All right, here's the structure. We just have, this could be any date, all right? I just picked Tuesday, January 2nd, 2029. See the yellow here? This is the format we're following. Why? This first date has to be hard-coded. Workday.INTL B5. We're going to go to B5. Our start date, 1 day. We just want 1 day here. And then D8 right here. And it's going to follow this format. In another tutorial, I'm going to show you this not in this format. I'm just going to have it hard-coded in there. We have our Monday. Notice we have 0, which is going to be Monday. That's a work day. 1 is a day off. That would be Tuesday. Notice Wednesday's a work day. Thursday's a day off. Friday's a work day. Saturday, Sunday. If we follow this format, Wednesday, work day. Friday, work day. Monday, work day. What's the next work day? Wednesday, Friday, Monday. You can change the format any way you want. We can just go up here and change. You can change this. Change D8 to say, here is D7. Notice that it's a mixed reference, so we can copy this down. Control D. Now we're going to have a Wednesday. I copied this D7. So everything here is going to be D7. Monday, workday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this should say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday. What are we doing? Well, workday.INTL. We have a start date. We have number of days. Here, days, 1. The weekend. Days off. They just reference weekend, days off. Then holidays, I didn't put any holidays in here. Over here, you can use the workday.INT function to construct a series of dates that include only specific days of the week. We are showing our work days or our project start date using, and then our project workday, when does it end? Well, you can define that however you want. Here's a format that I chose, but you can mix it up. I'm just going to back this out and go back to the original, and you can see it is this format. You see this up here? I just concatenated this particular date. You can change this up if you want. Typically, the workday INT function is used to identify workday dates. For instance, you can use the Workday International to get the next workday. That is neither a weekend nor a holiday. The weekend argument governs which days are non-working days. The workday argument may be provided as a number linked to a predefined list. Okay, you can read this. It's pretty much what I just said. You can define, you can see here, see this list. We're going to go down the road and do this next in another tutorial. We'll take one step at a time. I want you just to mess around with this. This is just a general overview of the syntax and just one example. Conditional formatting was used in order to highlight these rows. You can go into conditional formatting and mess around with that. Conditional formatting, manage rules. If you forget how to do this, you have to be within your list, edit rules, and all we did was cell greater than equals to 0. Simple enough. Change the color to whatever format you want, and that's it. And then if you want to add a new rule, etc., etc. I cover conditional formatting in the beginner course. So I don't know, there's probably 16 examples, and there's going to be a few in the intermediate course. Again, it's pretty basic stuff, and you should be well versed in conditional formatting. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.